YouTube, Rohan here. In this video, I will show you how to create glowing buttons in HTML and CSS. We will be using Bootstrap for this. First of all, I am using a bracket text editor and Mozilla Firefox browser. On the right hand side, you will see the output of the code which is written on left hand side. I am using a bracket text editor with live preview. As you can see, this will be our final product which we'll be developing today. It's a simple button with the white border and text, but when user hovers his mouse over the button, the color changes. So let's start coding. We'll make all necessary tags which are required for an HTML document. Just keep one thing in mind that to make this thing to work, you need Bootstrap library along with jQuery. So first we need to import all the scripts that are the Bootstrap CSS, Bootstrap JavaScript, and jQuery framework. To import all this thing, we need this few lines of codes. I'll leave the link to all this code in the description of this video. After importing all this thing, we need to create a button, an actual button. So first I will add some BR tags to give some spacing from the top. Then I will add a center tag to center our button element. Now I will actually create a button element. The tag used for create button is button. See, now you can see we have got a button on the output, which is pretty simple. It's not so attractive. So first I will give this button tag a class. See, now you can see that this button has changed by looks. Next I will give this button a class of button default. See, the background of this button have changed and we have got an hover effect on this button. Then I will add a style tag to this document. Please note that I am not using an external CSS for styling this document. Instead, I am embedding the style element style tag in the document itself. First, I'll give the background, I mean the body, a dark color. To do this, I will write the name of a tag, that is body, and assign the background color as gray. The next thing that I will do is give this button an ID. So I have given this button an ID of glow. Now to style this element, I will use this ID to select the button element. First, I will increase the size of this button. To do this, I will pass an attribute of width and set it to 100%. You can see the width of this button has increased. Then I will set the max width to something like 500 pixels. Yeah, it's good. Then I will add some padding to this button. Next thing I will do is I will increase the font size of this button element to like 30 to 40 pixel. Yeah, it's perfect now. Now I will set the background color of this button to transparent and set the font color to white. Okay, so we have successfully created a transparent button. Now to add a glow effect to this button, I will use the ID of the button tag, that is glow, and add a property of hover. Now what we have to do is change the background color of this button to yellow and change the font color of this button to gray. To do this, I will set background color to yellow. Yeah, there we go. When a user hovers on this mouse, the background color will change to yellow. But now we have to change the font color of this button. To do this, we have to add an attribute of color to this button. I will set the font color of this button to gray along with the border color. Now you can see that the font color as well as the background color of this button changes when user hovers on this button. Now we will have to give this button a transition effect. To give a transition effect, just add transition on the main glow tag of the button. The default transition that I will suggest is 0.3 seconds. It's perfect for this glowing effect. You can also change this value to whatever you want, like something like 5 or something. Make sure that you don't frustrate your users. So this is it guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hit like if you like this video, dislike if you dislike, and do subscribe to my channel. So note that we create some attractive websites at very cheap price. So if anyone is interested in website and stuff, or they want any type of web application, we are here for you. We can create any app or website you want for cheap price. So I will leave my contact details in the description of this video. If you are interested, just contact us. We'll have a chat with you. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.